Oh my god.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? So, you got a little confident with the hot sauce. That initial delicious pepper flavor slowly turns into a full firestorm inside your mouth. Now, your first reaction is to reach for the water, but what if there were better solutions to extinguish the flames on your taste buds? Today, we take a look at a few internet hacks to help stop the burn from spicy foods and see which one comes out on top. Oh! Oh, it just made it worse. Now, before we dive into the hacks, we first need to understand what exactly happens to your mouth when you eat spicy foods. Even though your mouth feels the burning sensation of peppers, in reality there isn't any burning at all. That burning sensation is caused by an alkaline oil-based molecule within peppers called capsaicin. Capsaicin triggers the temperature-sensitive pain receptors in your mouth. Once capsaicin triggers these pain receptors, your brain is tricked into thinking your mouth is in danger. Now, the more capsaicin a pepper has, the spicier it will feel in your mouth as it's tripping more of these pain receptors. The capsaicin level, or for lack of a better term, heat level of peppers is measured using the Scoville scale. To put things into perspective, your typical bell pepper comes in at 0 SHU on the Scoville scale, so no heat at all. A jalapeno pepper will range anywhere from 3,000 to 8,000 SHUs, and habaneros, which would be considered quite a hot pepper, range from 100,000 to 350,000 SHUs. But if you didn't think that was enough, the world record for hottest pepper goes to the Carolina Reaper, which comes in at a whopping 2.2 million SHUs on the Scoville scale, which is about as hot as, well, pepper spray. And here's what eating a Carolina Reaper does to people.
Your hands will start shaking, your heart will start going faster. You get sweaty, your eyes water, your skin flushes.
Whoa.
It's so stupid. Really bad. So stupid. Stupid choice. Oh, I'm 35, bro. Yeah. What are we doing this for?
So now that we know how peppers work and what it does to our tongue, we're now going to test out different methods of soothing the burn. First up is good old-fashioned water. Okay, so if you reach to your left there, you're gonna find a little bowl of hot sauce. Now, this is actually a hot sauce that we made in-house for this video. It's a mixture of, I believe, Scotch bonnets, weary, and bird's eye chilies.
So why not just throw all the hot peppers in a bowl?
Probably not gonna be nearly as hot as something as, say, like a ghost pepper or anything like that, but I have sampled this, and she has some burn to it. So how this is gonna work is that we're gonna take 1 spoonful of hot sauce, and then we're gonna kind of swish it around, make sure that it covers our palate, make sure we really feel the burn. And then after that, we're gonna try all of these little hacks that are supposed to cure it. So first up, we're gonna try water.
Good old H2O.
I got you the fancy glass.
Oh, nice.
This one I think most people can probably relate with. I mean, whenever you have spicy foods, usually first thing you reach for is the water.
I've heard water actually doesn't work.
Well, we're about to find out.
We're gonna see.
All right, sweet. So why don't we just grab a little spoonful here? You don't have to go like absolute. You don't have to. You don't have to drink the stuff. All right, I think that's enough, right?
All right. Cheers.
All right, cheers. All right, cheers.
Oh Jesus! I just swallowed it straight up. Wow. Okay.
See, that's, whoa.
It's right off the bat.
I feel like that's the difference between like
made me hurt.
like Scotch bonnets and bird's eyes compared to like a habanero or something. Because habaneros and stuff build, where this just messes you up right from the start. Okay, shall we try the water? All right, cheers.
Oh my god, that is horrific. Okay. It gets the initial.
Yeah, I was just gonna like to put it on like 1 to 10. When you first take a sip of water, it's like an 8 or 9, like it covers it, but then it just comes right back. Yeah, like as soon as you start drinking some water, it's like fine. As soon as you swallow the water, It's like the burn is right back to where it was. So the reason water is only a temporary solution is because capsaicin is an oil-based molecule. Water has a bit of a hard time washing away oil on its own, the same way that when you wash your hands when something oily gets on them. It doesn't really do much without soap. So water, while it does soothe the initial burn, it really is only a temporary solution. Next up, we have milk. Now the theory behind milk is exactly like how soap works in water. 80% of the protein in cow's milk is casein, which theoretically does have the ability to dissolve capsaicin molecules. In theory, this should be a pretty good contender to stop the burn from hot peppers, so why don't we try it out? Good old milk.
FYI, we both hate drinking milk.
Yeah, I'm not a milk drink. I'm not really a dairy consumer
at all, except for cheese. Cheese is great.
Yeah, I would say milk is probably the second most common like kind of remedy for spicy foods. All right, so should we try some milk out? We also need to refresh our palates.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Gotta swish it around a bit.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, there it is.
Okay. Let it sit for a second. Okay. Milk. Cheers. It like is almost the same as the water.
I thought the water was better.
Really?
Yeah. I think it comes back harder after the milk. Though.
Yeah.
But the water, at least it like gradually brings it down.
Similar to water, milk does temporarily pause the burn, but so far nothing has been able to completely neutralize it yet. Next up, we take a look at another very popular remedy for spicy foods, and that's bread. The theory is that the starch within bread will help soak up the capsaicin on your tongue, thus neutralizing the pain. So I have these pieces of bread here. Okay. All right, let's do it. Yeah, like the taste, phenomenal. The burn, like hell.
Also phenomenal.
It hurts so good.
You ready?
All right, ready? All right, cheers. Oi, oi. Oh. Oh my God. All right, cheers. Oi.
I have to take my spoonful. It's not hot. None.
Nope, I'm just chewing on fire.
It literally doesn't do anything. Uno.
You need water?
Yeah.
Honestly, that didn't really do much. Really didn't do anything.
Yeah.
Now we move on to lemon juice. The science behind lemon juice for spice burns is capsaicin itself is a base. With lemon juice being very acidic, it should be able to neutralize capsaicin and soothe the burn. So, if you've watched that episode of Hot Ones with Gordon Ramsay, you may have noticed that one part where he starts just squeezing lemon juice in his mouth.
Oh, that's right. He does do that.
Yeah. Supposedly, lemon juice, due to the acidity of it, will get rid of some of the burn.
If there's any man's opinion I trust, it's Gordon's.
And we have some lemon juice. Do you think like a shot's worth is enough? All right, why don't we just try it out?
Yeah. All right.
Okay, cheers.
Yeah. Oh, I chewed it a lot.
You want to aerate it?
I chewed it a lot.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Lemon juice. Cheers, bud.
Oh, it's so sour. Oh, that makes it worse. Oh, crap. Yo, my eyes are watering. That doesn't help at all.
Here's the only redeeming quality I think the lemon juice has. Because you're focused on your mouth burning, the sourness just distracts you from that and just makes you think of something else. But now we move on to one of the tastier hacks, peanut butter. This hack is supposed to work due to the oil contents within peanut butter. The theory is that the oil will help bind to capsaicin and help carry it off of your tongue. And this is also just kind of an excuse to eat peanut butter out of the jar. I'll give you a spoon for this.
Nice.
We got peanut butter.
Okay.
This is probably the best tasting one so far.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Yeah. It doesn't get any better, eh?
It just gets worse.
I'm taking this.
There, go for it. Cheers. The burn went from like an 8 down to like a 5. It actually did help quite a bit though.
Right?
I'm chilling right now. So, looks like peanut butter has our top pick right now. Now, up last on this list is alcohol. Alcohol itself has the ability to dissolve capsaicin, which in turn should dissolve the heat. Let's see how it stacks up. Vodka's like arguably one of my least favorite alcohols. I actually have some kind of high hopes for this one.
I don't even want to see hot sauce after this.
Alright, last one. Cheers. Oh my god. Here we go. Cheers. Oh! Oh, it just made it worse.
And it does. Yeah, 100%. I'm not even going for that.
Oh, it's like an acid burn. Oh, because like initially it wasn't that bad, but then the burn of the vodka came through. That is literally what I would imagine drinking gasoline is like. Or no, not even, no, that's what I imagine drinking kerosene is like. Now I'm just angry. Now I'm just mad. Well, to our surprise, it was actually pretty downright bad. That's because while alcohol does have the ability to dissolve capsaicin, most consumable alcohol is still mostly water. The result, you have the temporary neutralizing effects of water, which then gets topped off with the burn of alcohol. So reaching the end of our list, I would have to say peanut butter would take the top pick, but through our experiment, there really isn't a surefire way to stop the burn from peppers right away. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. We hope that you found this video entertaining and informative. If you like this video, hit that like button down below and hit subscribe to stay up to date with our future. My tongue's on fire. and hit subscribe to stay up to date with our latest videos. As always, I'm Dave from Meals, and this is Mike. We'll see you in the next video.
I'm gonna go jump in a lake. That was terrible.
Yeah. Need a shower.
Oh my god.